got that badge. Look at that. You see that? That's a police badge. That's a police badge, bro. That's a police badge, nigga. Real shit. Real certified shit. Accomplished my dream. Don't y'all hate when a song replayed that you didn't want to replay? I feel like I might have listened to this maybe 4 times by now. It's the Carter Son, y'all. It's the Carter Son. I'm an FBI agent, man. I became an agent. I'm gonna lock you up, nigga. But did I mention it's my own clothing? What's going on in there? Hey, happy shitting to you all. Happy shitting. Happy shitting, happy peeing. If you're doing both, happy number 5 to all you brothers and sisters. Whatever you may be. Have a good shit on me, for real. I need to dig in my butt. I didn't do it. Boarding the plane, bro. We boarding the motherfucking plane. Rolex boarding. Shit, boarding the motherfucking plane. Oh, that look like a nice phone. I want that. Still a phone. Ooh, I got a new phone, y'all. Yeah, I got a new phone. You sure no shit, bro. Ooh. Bro, real life is dope. We do crimes and we do good deeds to replace them. No. No, bro, this is W-Tron. This is W-Tron. Carry-on bag side is Dolphins.
Oh?
Carry-on bag city come and we have a stop. Oh. Come carry on in.
No, carry on.
What the hell? Yeah, listen. This place is fucking tight, bro. Too big for the space. Holy shit. That was fake. Oh, God. Almost by my seat. A D, let me see. 28D.
For helping
Bro, this
others.
place makes me like really understand. Like, being with other humans.
Should you need it,
Look at that
you'll
nigga
find a
right there,
light vest
bro.
equipped with the water
Like the fact that
activated
he can
light
see
in the
my
pouch
face, bro.
under,
Look, people lose my
between,
thing.
or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold.
If we die, I'm
the
saving
vest.
every single one of y'all. If we die, I'm saving every one of y'all.
And secure to the buckle
I got all of y'all if we die.
Pull loose and tight.
Just count on me,
Inflate your
guys.
vest just prior to exiting the
Like,
aircraft
count
by
on
pulling down
yourself.
sharply on the red tag.
Safe.
You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Oh yeah, this shit is going down.
FAA regulations prohibit tampering, disabling, or destroying lavatory solutions.
Literally destroyed all of
US
them
law
before.
also requires passengers to comply with flight signs and crew member instructions.
Now boarding.
That motherfucker gone.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
Let's open it. Holy, this reminds me of the studies I did. As a
And in
young
the
boy
unlikely
with my
event that
father.
oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask.
Studied with my father.
If you are sitting in the exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shades for taxi takeoff. We will also be dimming the cabin lights so you can rest.
Cigarettes and high heels.
Please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so you can see it while we come through the cabin. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.
As a young lad, 7. We were raised on Marishwa.
IHG Hotels and Resorts.
Marishwa.
Guest,
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
One Piece and Luffy and shit. Like, I'm shut the fuck up, I can't lie. Time to go watch Netflix. Oh yeah. Oh, this motherfucker going down. This motherfucker is 100%. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Yeah, guys, we're done. Last video. It's everybody's memory. It's everybody's memory right here. It's everybody's memory. Everybody's memory, bro. If you got loved ones, say goodbye now, bro. This shit is over. 3, 2, 1. We're done. Nigga, the pussy's gonna go in the fucking in the air, bro. Nigga, I was like, how this shit feel like my closet? I can't lie. Let me whip my dick out right here for sure. Filtered water because it's refiltered piss. I just peed, bro. The piss when I peed my dick out demonstration is this. This is demonstration. Oh, fuck, it feels so good. This is better than sex. I fucking love peeing with my dick out. Oh, shit. They're gonna think I'm dying in this bitch. Nigga, I wondered how they refill the soap that I'm like, duh, they just put a new one. But nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, trash, refiltered pee, bro. Flight attendant call. Don't sit there at their place. I can call these ones? I shouldn't call them. Ooh, wait, this is for pussy? Yo, flight attendant. You can call the flight attendants, bro. Wait, how much is the pussy though? Nigga, you're telling me they're gonna come in here and like, sucky sucky, is that what it is? Go. We just won, guys. We just won. I feel like I just won $1 million. I won $1 gajillion. I'm gonna actually get the fuck out of here. Ew, what the hell on the floor? No. Flight attendant here is bad. It's a white girl. She call me a hug. I love when they say shit like that. Even though I know it's just like friendly shit. That motherfucker dropping soon in like 2 days. A drops in 2 nuts. Are you ready? I'm excited, brother. Now I can get the video. Oh, the graffiti ties it too, bro. Is that a dick, bro? They put the graffiti ties, bro. Look at how tiny it is, bro. What's up, positive? Let's get out. Crash this plane. What if I drop a bomb right now? What they gonna do? Look at the ugly ass plane. See this ugly plane make it sick. I want a private jet. No, I'm gonna have a private jet. Look at the movie, bro. Yeah, I'm getting a private jet. What the fuck happened? Why is there a light? Why is there a light only in that section? The ugly ass section. Like your mama, nigga. She got drugs in her drink like Nesman. I think they fell asleep and they know what they see on her. That's definitely a beach league. No, that's definitely inspired by Nesman. That's definitely a beach league alcohol drink inspired by Nesman. Beach league margarita inspired by Nesman. Okay. Fuck it. Everyone take off their left shoe, bro. We gonna see who get the best left foot job, bro. Alright. All the bad bitches, take off your left shoe. We gonna see who gives the best left foot job, bro. I have Ultra Instinct. I literally dodged that nigga without looking. Ultra Instinct, buddy. That nigga, I didn't need to dodge or that. Never mind that person. Let me not assume. Look if someone coming from me. I don't think anyone's coming. If they come, you better come hard. You gotta come hard for me. And only come hard. Look behind me, then bitch. Come hard. I need you to come inside me hard. Come hard inside me. Oh yes, yes. Okay. Which bitch word. And he's gonna drop some. Did this shit Yale's dropping the 16th or the 13th? I don't know, but Yale's dropping some. This nigga hat, bro. Holy shit, that nigga hat is tough. Holy shit, his hat is so tough. Oh my god. I'ma cop that hat from that nigga for $34. I'm say $34 right now out of pocket. Give me the hat. You know what I mean? Also, low-key, give me a thick stripper that will throw it back on the stick, man. Creamy pussy only. No dry stuff, no grannies, bro. I had a few grannies back in my day. I got tired of it. Bro, this nigga switch pants, he had long khakis on. Switch pants, yo. I'm a fucking psychic. Oh, Meerkats? What the fuck? Oh, you gotta see Meerkats on the screen. I gotta see that shit. Oh, ain't that the nigga from Madagascar, bro? Rio up on the drug, Rio. Alright, I'm done. Bro, I want to get on board. Look at her hand. Oh my gosh, she was definitely fucking turning a bomb on. I wonder what book she's reading. She's definitely reading about Nesbitt and his life. Can someone drop a bomb on this fucking airport? Someone please just destroy it. I'm ready. We're all ready. We are all ready, guys. We are all ready to go, guys. We are all ready to go. Everyone say it with me. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. At the end, they all fucking died, nigga. That was my Chick-fil-A gas station. That's my water. That yellow ass P cord, that P on it. P on my cord. That's my last. I got the hard shoulder sticker. That's where I got my chain. This chain on my finger. Not this one. Not this chain. Not the rainbow one. Not this chain. This chain, not this one. No, I need another chain. That's plugged into the laptop down there. I was editing a video and I said, nigga, bitch ass nigga, put your shit over there. Basically, it's basically what I forgot. I just said, look at this little box, you know. So I was thinking before, I was like, look, does he even have cigarette? I was like, nigga, this strip goes forever. This shit open for me, it's like a tank. If a life vest under your seat. Nigga, what if I don't want a life vest? What if I want to go down? Fast and seatbelt on. Why you niggas telling me what to do now? Nigga, it's gonna unplug now. Look. Oh yeah. I definitely did this because it was right from my heart. Yeah, it's pretty sauce. It's sriracha sauce and shit. It's sriracha sauce and shit. Damn, I should have done that. Should I have seen that dog on there? Look, they got the death packet, bro. What to do if you gotta die, nigga? Alright, this baby was dead. Look at his back, bro. I was like, I wanted to show you all my sauces too. What sauce do I have? tabs until the plane goes down, guys. This is it. 3, 2. Goodbye. Love all you guys. Thank you for watching and supporting. Love you.
producing. Yeah. Oh my God. I was with the wolf 2 days ago at Ambassador.
The land is safe. Ain't no one loaded this shit, man. No one loaded this shit. Hey, I thought for sure we was dead, bro. I thought we was dead for sure, man. Hey, we didn't die. I ain't died today. I ain't died today. I ain't died today. You too. Oh no, I'm alive.
It's all right. Yeah, I was joking about it. It never happened. But I actually found it. It's all right. It's not that bad. You know, another hour.
Guess people here look the exact same. But humans here look a little different. It's just another part of America. Get it. Our flight is safe. Can I get a hooray? Hooray! Hooray! Our flight is safe, y'all. Holy shit, this airport is ugly as fuck.
I don't see them on our...
Oh my. Oh, this airport is fucking chopped. I gotta show y'all this. This shit looks like a fucking government building, bro. Looks like one of them nasty government buildings. What the fuck, airport? Oh, this shit is chopped, bro. This shit look like one of them nasty government buildings, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm your biggest fan. I'm your biggest fan. Can I please get a picture? Can I please get a picture? Can I please get a picture? I'm your biggest fan. That's Spanish. More steps seem scary, but longer walks are temporarier. Blue airplane. Pronto se va este pasillo de aquí. Pronto vendrá más favoritos para todos. Make sure to shut up. Why are you judging my Spanish reading? Just touched down in the port, bro. We just touched down in the port. I don't know what all these fine shit's doing on the wall, bro. But damn, these grannies could get it. You feel me? I don't consider myself like a weirdo, but damn, some of them grannies be so damn. So damn thick and wrinkly, man. That's what we call the gill sign. PDX is looking to really calibrate local bezel eyes. Alright, bro. Stop glazing.
There's the bonus now and confirm and fill out this form saying, got it.
This looks like it was built in the wrong place, bro. Tell me not. Modern. Oh, we got another inspirational lesson. Este pasillo no permanecerá aquí ya viven más de tus favoritos. Basically, what este pasillo permanecerá aquí ya viven de tus favoritos means is this hall won't stay, more faves on the way. What the fuck does that mean? This hall won't stay? This is not my place, man. This shit look like an office building. They gotta delete this, man. I gotta rework. Let me talk to the architect. Oh, we got a double-sided bathroom. Wait, you're telling me you can go into whichever one you want? What the fuck? Wait, this is both women. No, I thought I was tweaking. Bro, what kind of bathroom? I literally thought it was at either side choose. Men and women. Bathroom. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Doom, 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 doom. Let me pee. Oh, I can't wait to get this piss out of my dick. I've been waiting a long minute to get this piss out my dick, man. Ooh, I can't wait to whip my dick out. Let this yellow stream out. Yeah, let my bumblebee yellow stream out. Ooh, I just unbuckled my belt. Ooh, now I'm unbuckled. I'm getting real freaky. I'm getting too freaky, in my opinion. I am on. It's like we have this argument like 3 times a week, bro. Just because my girl pegs me doesn't mean I'm fucking gay, dog. Bro, I don't know why you keep insisting on this, bro. I feel like as men, we could all agree, bro. Getting pegged isn't gay. You guys think getting pegged is gay, bro? Is getting pegged gay? Is my mic muted? It's not gay?
No, man.
I mean, we gotta, come on. Hey, come on. It's not, man. It's life. It's life, bro. Exactly. So what if a beautiful woman want to do that to me? Hey, we have fun together. Have a great day, bro. Hell yeah. You stay up, brother. See, look, bro, I found my people. I told you I found my people. I found my people, bro. I found my people, bro. I found my people, man. I found my people. Okay, one thing I see, there's baddies here. There's definitely baddies here. There's like a lot of baddies here. I want to go talk to a baddie. Let me go have fun. Actually, fuck the camera real quick. I want to go have fun, bro. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. This is nothing like Colorado. These girls are better. The girls here are better. I'm not even trolling. The women here are prettier. Oh, shit. Nah. But the girls here are better. I don't see as many girls like who look left to right at the airport. You see a lot of chop shits in Denver. Bro, literally was just thinking about the girl I saw at the new store at Denver. It's one of these where it's like a little kiosk. Holy shit, the baddest girl I've ever seen. And I work there, bro, so let's believe I'm coming back to go see her ass, bro. Just to look at her, I don't care. I'm a fake shot, not even fake shot. I'm a dead ass, I'm gonna look her in her eyes too. I'm a dead tell that girl, bro, I came here to see you, bro. I came here to see you. I don't care about no electronics. I came here to see your face. Bro, this is so small compared to Denver's. This is like, bro, not even a half. Like maybe like a little quarter of Denver. Denver's is as big as like 6 of these, bro. Like 4 to 6 of these, bro. Look how small it is. No, I do like the flowers, bro. Oh my, and there's too many guys. I'm gonna have so much fun here, bro. It's like even, what the fuck, nigga? They're not even like, they could be like a little older in age, bro. These girls are bad as fuck. They're all bad, bro. Age don't matter here, bro. Age is just a number here, bro. Age is definitely just a number here, bro. Age is definitely just, I'm stealing that. I'm stealing that. Yeah, get us there safe. Look, they got a movie theater, bro. Just said walk in. Admission is free. Read that shit.
Physically, emotionally, spiritually.
Oh, they got the jazz in here.
My parents are from Vietnam. They immigrated here in the early 70s and moved here when I was 5.
Nigga, 5?
I always grew up in North Portland.
Your mom was fine shit.
My parents would
Your
both
dad got
do
that
like
shit
2
on.
jobs.
2, nigga?
I never seen my
Damn.
parents at home. Kindergarten, I was walking home by myself.
You was a strong girl, okay. Big girl, young age. Oh, do y'all work here? Huh. Oh, y'all on a donation.
On the days I come in at 3.
Damn, she would work some girl.
I help Boone finish off all the
Damn.
and then the store, like brew coffee,
Holy shit.
cooking for breakfast.
This is boring.
So we want to try to get everything done by 4:30 before we open. We open at 5 in the morning.
Man. I done told him, stop playing with the slime. You feel me? NBA Youngboy out, guys. NBA Youngboy's out.
To mess with customers in the morning. They'll come in with your face something, and then they're like,
Twitch,
I
need
just
something.
woke up, so I just gave coffee or
Put a 4.
pack them some
Put a
donuts,
4
and
up.
they're good to go.
Put a 4 up
And
for
I
net spin.
tell them, have a
Put a 4 up for net spin.
on their way out.
Happy Donut Day. I probably come a couple times a month, only because I live out in Gresham. But when I come, this is where I come.
Happy net spin day,
the-
guys.
The apple fritter.
Have a net
That's the way
spin
to
day.
go. Like, look at these apple fritters right here. Right?
Net spin.
No, that-
I've been trying to get gigged on. I ain't gigged up.
This looks like, you know, kind of like the way they're all.
Nah, he definitely for Sprite. Nah, that nigga definitely for Sprite. They got a theater in this bitch, bro. Going in the theater.
All I heard. Doesn't say nothing else. And then when the article came out, I was like looking for her name.
Free young boy, nigga. Free NBA young boy. Free young boy. Free NBA young boy.
Of the
I
article,
love net
it says number
spin.
1.
I'm
And
a
I
net
was
spin
like,
person.
holy
Oh shit, they got corners, bro. Oh shit, let me take a piss in here, bro. Oh, there's definitely roaches on the chairs. It's stinking it. I was definitely not meant to see that. I'm exposing this airport. I'm an airport safety reviewer. Why does this look like a high school? How many kids have fucked back here? Truth be told, how many kids have fucked back there? I smell like weed too. Damn. Holy shit, that's a nice tab. That's a nice tab, man.
Good. Thanks, bro.
Oh, that nigga had an oil tap for that. Look at the paddle tap. Holy shit. I think this might be like Disneyland. Because every single where I turn my head, there's another fine shit everywhere my head turn. I turn my head right, I turn to the left. Okay, maybe not when I turn left this time, but when I turn right. When I turn right, oh, holy shit, was that a dream come true? What the fuck is on that side? Look at that shit, bro. Is that like another concourse? Wait, isn't that exactly where the fuck I was? Tweak, I was literally over there. I just walked in and you. Did I gotta walk on this side? Yeah, I thought that was a theater again. It was the fucking bathroom. That was nice here when literally when I was here like 5 minutes ago. Eating this damn chair. That one. And that one. I ain't seen them, but the body, it did it for me. You feel me? But the face, it completes it. I'm telling you, the face completes, bro. That's the thing I love. The face completes, bro. The face always complete, bro. The face always completes. Cafe Yum. Cafe Yum. Mackenzie. Delete that name, bro. I don't like it, man. Turn it off, man. Turn it off, man. Outfitted teams nationwide. Niggas want to be young boy so bad, bro. Bro, niggas want to be NBA young boy so bad, bro. Holy, so bad, bro. Crazy days, bro. Crazy days, bro. Niggas still lazy now, bro. Look, B for BR. B for BR. Nigga, R for New Orleans, bro. Oh my god, bro. Young boy is crazy, bro. That is always understood. That's what it is. There's myths here. I've been seeing like the myths this whole day. The oven you shake forever. I'm trying to sit, bro. I'm trying to sit. That's what I need to do. I need to sit. Okay, what we got here? What we got? The Tiny Chef Show. Nickelodeon. Shadow Machine. It looks just like Denver in this aspect. Like the outside of the airport, it looks the exact same. Except there's no green, as you see further down there. In Colorado, it's just white. That's really brown, you know. And Shadow Machine again. What they got in this home? They got hoes in here, man. Holy shit, order. I'd fuck all of them. We got a geeker wall. A wall for the geekers. Love it. There's a baddie at the store over there. I was gonna say some shit like, oh, I never seen her again. I was like that girl was in control of my game. So, how the fuck should I care about that? You feel me? But if you heard that person just ask them, what's our gate? I thought it was on her make place. I work at the security guard in me. Oh shit. I had flashbacks and niggas asking me for questions. If you love PDX, wait till you see PD. Ooh, PD next. PDF. Ooh. Oh my god, it's pedophile. There's like too many fine shits. Only 8 now. Jessica. There's a best and bad Jessica. Bad Eva. Well, hey, Granny could get it and the girls to the left of her. Ben on. Nah, Ben. Hey, ooh, Mallory. How Mallory could get me. So crazy. She got a sister. Oh yeah, let me take her on her dog. The whole bloodline. Construction workers. That's how they go. That janitor. Between everything.
En mij daar aan de overkant dan, als je erin bent.
Is it green all year long here?
Huh?
Is it green all year long?
What, Oregon?
Yeah.
It's all green. It's only
Really?
green. All you see is green level.
Wow.
Yeah? That's why they say green state. No, it's Oregon. Everywhere you go is green. I mean, can I have hope here? Huh? No, in Oregon, man, it give you 3 seasons in one day. Yeah?
3 seasons in one day.
In one day, it give you 3 seasons in one day. Utah, Denver is the, what is it called? They got a lot of mountains.
Yeah.
Especially Utah, it has a lot of mountains in Utah. Utah, Kulel Sheikh, Likitu Lama Sata Makilidor, Kulel Sheikh, Marcus of Bilaw, they mean
Half of Arizona.
Final seconds of my nap in Portland. I touched down in Grandma's crib. She gave me the pillow. Look, you hear the loud African woman. I got the space luggage over there. My sister and I stay in the bathroom. Someone in there, someone in the other right over there. She said I could open that door if I want. Look at the patio. This is it, guys. See you on the journey in the next 5 days, y'all. That'll be fun as hell. I know it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna learn so much. I'm gonna learn, experience, live, bro. Exactly, bro. Be a rock star. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful ass dispensary, though. Look at this beautiful ass dispensary. This looks so beautiful. Oregon dispensary. Memory dispensary. Dispensary memories, bro. Dispensary memories. Look at the car. Dispensaries. That's what I'm gonna call these, dispensaries. These are called the dispensaries. It's so green here. Like, it's so fucking green, bro. Like, literally just, I promise you, it's so green. You look each and every direction, it's green, bro. Except this fucking thing. That's obviously not green if you can't tell. It's like orange or red. Is there like a drive-thru in this dispensary or some shit? Why is there a bunch of cars coming? There's like a car. I need to hustle. I'm dead. And they ain't gonna let me in here. Oh, I thought it was like a nice message. Canvas. May not be consumed in public. I always do that shit. I be tapping the card at the gym like relentlessly, bro. Even in the stores, bro. I swear I be tapping the card in stores, bro, in front of employees and everything. I literally did, not in a video, but I did it literally while I was recording a few days ago, bro. There's a lift somewhere over here. They do that shit all the time in Colorado. They do that shit all the time.